Hi guys, I'm Hannah and welcome to my channel. So in this channel, I mainly do sharing my sea beauty eye palettes and some project planning content. And for today's video, I will actually be doing the swatches of this palette. So Detail is a local brand, and when I say local brand, it's a Filipino brand. And I actually got this palette last November, and I just kind of forgot about this palette because I was focusing on some other palettes. But now that I am finally back with my YouTube filming energy again, I will be doing more swatches. So this palette, it's I think inspired by the Patrick eyeshadow palettes, but the color story itself is not a dupe of any of his palettes. So this is the packaging. It's just like uh like a sleek and elegant details. The name, and at the back is all of the eyeshadow names because the eyeshadow names are not printed on the palette itself. This is the Obelisk palette, so basically this is just a neutral palette. Then here it says the expiry date and all of that stuff, and this one opens like this with this protective box, which is actually very good considering this palette is quite expensive when you earning a Filipino wage. So this palette originally I think is around 700 pesos. When you convert that, I think that would be around like $17. So this is her. I actually got this around 299 something because it went on sale last November. So this is the palette. It's like plastic packaging, but the plastic itself feels a little heavy. And at the back, again, the names of the shades, but in the front it doesn't contain any names. So just a closer look. You can see it's pretty much like your everyday neutral colors. I think would be perfect for a school or a office looks. So this one, it's a shimmer. Oh wow, it feels soft. Feels soft and buttered. And I'll do three at a time. So this one is a neutral shade with gold glitters. Like it's a matte neutral with gold glitters, which I personally don't like. In companies like do matte eyeshadows without glitters in them because it's just me. So these are the first three shadows. The shimmers themselves are very like smooth and buttery, and this one, the matte feels smooth as well. So yeah, kind of like a peachy, pinky, shifty shadow, and then this is the matte one with the gold glitters. So far, they are swatching very smooth. So these are the first three shades. This one is like a light pink with a purple glitters. Okay, so next three shades. So this one is like a bronzy shimmer shadow, and then this one's more of like a reddish shimmer, and then this one is a I think it's a cool toned dark matte brown. Again, the shimmers are very smooth and buttery. This one looks really pigmented. So this is the bronzy. Oh, it's not bronze. It's more of a copper shimmer, but it's very pigmented compared with this two. And then this is the last shimmer shade in this palette. So these two are more pigmented than these two. I guess these two are more of like a top person than these two are like copper shimmer. And then the cool toned dark brown. It has this kind of a grayish purplish undertone. Okay, so next three shades are the kind of like lightest matte shadow. So this one is just your typical like a beige brow bone highlight shade, and then this is the, I think the lightest neutral shade in this palette. And this one another light brown, but this one's darker than this one. See? Again, this is the beige kind of highlight shade. And this is the next light shade. It's more of like a peachy kind of brown than this one. This one's a little darker than this one. So far, swatching really good. Last three shades. This one's like a mid-tone warm brown. This one is a reddish brick kind of matte shade, and then this one, I think this is like more of a warmer matte brown compared to this one. Let's see. These are the last matte shadows in this palette. And this is the, oh wow, it's not, this is not mid-tone. This is like very pigmented brown shade, and then this is kind of like a brick kind of a reddish shade, and then the last one, um okay, so this one is more of a warmer dark brown, and this one's more of a dark brown. These are the close-up swatches. And this is what they look like. I'm using flash. Okay, so those are the swatches of this palette. I think I'm not sure if I will separate this swatching video or maybe just do the swatching and try on and review on a single video, because I don't like to put out too long videos. Okay, you guys. So I think I'll just separate the two because yep, sometimes people are just interested in the swatches. And so yeah, this is like pretty much a short video, but I love doing swatching videos because they are very, very therapeutic for me, and they are very, very therapeutic to watch. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope to see you on the next one. Have a nice day, stay safe, and bye guys.